Hi there, welcome to Lesson 1 of Computer Basics. We're going to talk about the basics of using a computer. You'll learn what a computer is, the name of its parts, and how to do simple things like turning it on, using a mouse and keyboard, as well as opening programs. Whether you're brand new or just need a refresher, this lesson is a great place to start. So, what exactly is a computer? A computer is a smart machine that helps you do many things, like write documents, send emails, watch videos, or browse the internet. It follows your instructions and gets the job done quickly and efficiently. Let's get to know the main parts of a computer. The monitor. This is the screen that shows what you're doing. The keyboard. You can use this to type letters, numbers, and symbols. The mouse. You move this with your hand to click and select things on the screen. The CPU or computer box. This is the brain of the computer, where most of the work happens. Let's start with the mouse. The mouse is a simple but powerful tool. Left click. This selects or opens things. Right click. This shows more options. The scroll wheel. This is what lets you move up and down a page. Now, let's take a look at the keyboard. It helps you type words, numbers, and commands. Some important keys to know. Enter. This confirms an action or moves to the next line. Backspace. This deletes the character before the cursor. Spacebar. This adds a space between words. Shift. This lets you type capital letters or symbols. To turn on your computer, just press the power button on the computer or laptop. To shut it down, click the Start menu in the bottom left corner and choose Shut Down. Programs are the apps you use to get things done, like browsing, typing, or watching videos. Examples include Chrome, Word, or Notepad. To open a program, click on its icon. To close it, click the X in the top right corner of the window. Let's try this simple activity. Turn your computer on. Now, open the calculator program. Try adding two numbers like 4 and 5. You should get 9. Great job. Now, it's your turn to try something new. With your computer on, go to the home screen. Use the mouse to click the Chrome icon. Use the keyboard to type www.google.com and press Enter. Try searching for something fun, like your favorite music or a recipe. Now, let's go over a few common issues and how to solve them. Problem 1. Nothing shows on the screen. Make sure the monitor is turned on and the cables are plugged in. Problem 2. My computer is very slow. Try restarting it. Don't open too many programs at once. Problem 3. Mouse or keyboard not working? Unplug and plug them back in. If wireless, check the batteries. Problem 4. Click something and the screen changed? Try pressing the Escape key, ESC, on the top left corner of your keyboard, or the back button. You can always restart if needed. Congratulations! You did it! You've learned the basics of using a computer, from turning it on to typing, clicking, and exploring programs. And remember, everyone starts as a beginner. Mistakes are totally normal, and learning takes time. Be patient, have fun, and don't be afraid to ask questions. See you in the next lesson.